Good morning! I am Telmo.
And I'm Tula. We are the little cooks. And today we're going on a trip to the zoo.
To see dinosaurs.
There are no dinosaurs at the zoo, Telmo.
I know that, but it would be fun.
Today we're going to make a sandwich for us to eat because we have to walk a lot.
A sandwich made from violins.
No, Telmo.
A sandwich made from dinosaurs.
No, we're going to make a sandwich with tomato, lettuce, and cheese.
That's it, and some grape and apple juice.
Well said.
And the ingredients that we need are sandwich bread,
Sliced tomatoes,
lettuce,
sliced cheese,
mayonnaise,
grapes.
sliced apples.
Each of us are going to make a sandwich.
And mine is gonna be a triple decker.
All right.
We grab a slice of bread and we spread one layer of mayonnaise.
And now we put a layer of sliced tomatoes.
That's it. We grab the tomato slices.
Don't forget, you have to wash your hands before you make something with food or something to eat.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Well, at least you realized it now. Did you touch anything disgusting before?
No, I just been grabbing some worms in the garden.
What?
Just a joke, Tula.
Oh, thank goodness. Let's carry on. We'll put a layer of sliced tomatoes.
I love tomatoes.
I can see that, Telmo.
And now, another slice of bread.
Second deck.
And on this one, we put another layer of mayonnaise.
I don't want any more mayonnaise.
All right.
I'll start adding the lettuce.
And me too. Tula.
Telmo, you're so funny.
Another slice of bread.
That's it. And now the cheese.
But before we do that, a layer of mayonnaise.
With the cheese?
Why not?
Well, I'll add the slices of cheese.
This is perfecto.
Telmo, I think you're adding too much cheese.
But I love cheese.
Well, that's yours. You're going to eat that one. And now, to finish it off, another slice of bread.
It's ready.
Mine is really beautiful.
And so is mine.
And now the juice.
What, don't we eat the sandwich now?
No, Telmo. We won't have anything to eat later on when we're at the zoo.
Oh, darn it.
Listen, my little cooks. Our grown-up has already sliced up our apples.
They're ready to be put in the blender.
But we need to do it with the supervision of a grown-up. Grown-up! Can you come here, please? We're going to blend the apples and the grapes.
Can you turn on the blender for us, please?
And now, being very careful, we're going to put the apple slices into the blender.
Apple and grape juice is very delicious, and it's also great for your health.
And now the grapes.
blend you up now.
And while we finish blending the grapes, we'll go over the ingredients for our sandwich and our juice. Ingredients for sandwich and juice: 4 slices of bread, mayonnaise, 1 leaf of lettuce, 1 slice of tomato, and 2 slices of cheese. Juice: 2 apples and 10 grapes.
This is my sandwich, and that's Tula's.
Everything is ready now for our trip. We just need to put it inside our backpacks.
That's great! We're going on a trip! I'll grab a banana for dessert.
Give me one too, please. Don't forget, eating fruit is very good for you. It's delicious and it's great for your health.
Tula, the bus is waiting for us now.
I'm coming, Telmo.
Goodbye, my little cooks. We're off to see dinosaurs.
There are no dinosaurs at the zoo.
I knew that.